Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, March 26, 2025. Today's video is about Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse. The Francis Scott Key Bridge collapsed on March 26, 2024, at 1:28 a.m. Eastern Time, in the Baltimore metropolitan area in the U.S. state of Maryland. The main spans and the three nearest northeast approach spans of the Francis Scott Key Bridge, spanning the Patapsco River, collapsed after MV Dali, a container ship, struck one of the bridge's piers. 6 members of a maintenance crew working on the roadway were killed, and 2 more were rescued from the river. The collapse blocked most shipping to and from the Port of Baltimore for 11 weeks. Wes Moore, the governor of Maryland, called the event a global crisis that affected more than 8,000 jobs. The economic impact of the closure of the waterway was estimated at $15 million per day. This photograph, taken on the afternoon of March 26 by a member of the United States Army Corps of Engineers, shows the aftermath of the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse, with Dali's boat damaged by and lying under a section of the bridge's collapsed truss. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.